In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send messages securely with Wire app. First, you will need to open the Wire app on your iPhone or Android device. As you do this, look for the familiar icon of the Wire app on your home screen. Tapping it will launch the application. The interface is user-friendly, and you will likely see your recent conversations right away. This step is crucial because accessing the app is the first move in securely messaging your contacts. You should feel confident knowing that you are about to start a secure communication process. Once the app is open, locate the conversation with the person you want to message. If you haven't connected with them yet, you can add them using their Wire username. This is important because only people you have connected with can send you messages on this platform. It ensures that your conversations remain private and secure. Once you find the conversation, tap on it to open the messaging interface. You will see a clean chat screen ready for your secure messages. Now look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and you will be able to type your message. Take your time to craft a thoughtful message, as this is where your ideas and communication come to life. This step matters because clear communication is essential in any conversation. You can see the text appearing in the box, which indicates that you're ready to send your thoughts. After you have finished typing your message, it is time to tap the Send button to deliver your message securely. You will notice that the message is sent instantly and a confirmation appears. This quick delivery is reassuring, showing you that your message has been securely dispatched. It is comforting to know that your words are protected by Wire's strong encryption. Next up, if you want to share photos, videos, or files, look for the attachment icon. Tapping this icon will open your device's gallery or file storage. You can then select the content you want to send. This feature is valuable for sharing experiences or important documents. After you choose the right file, it will appear in the message box, just like your text messages. This ensures that whatever you send is shared seamlessly and securely. For additional privacy, it's essential to ensure that both you and the person you are messaging are using the latest version of Wire. Keeping your app updated is a small step that makes a big difference in your security. This is important because updates often include security enhancements that protect your conversations further. You can check for updates in your app store, ensuring that you both have the most current version for optimal security. Wire automatically protects all messages, calls, and shared files with end-to-end encryption. This means that only the people involved in the conversation can read them. The encryption is enabled by default, so you do not need to worry about turning it on manually. This feature is what makes Wire a reliable platform for secure communication. You can feel reassured knowing that your conversations are safe and private. In conclusion, sending messages securely with the Wire app is straightforward and effective. Each step you take helps to maintain your privacy and security. With its user-friendly interface and strong encryption, you can communicate freely. You are now equipped with the knowledge to send messages securely using Wire. Enjoy your secure messaging experience.